This ECNL skill challenge is called Zig-Zag Dribbling. You're going to set up 10 cones, each 2 of your own foot lengths apart, and you're going to move through the cones starting with your right foot on this side. You're going to roll, drag, tap, push. When you get to the end on the left, you're going to start with the left foot, roll, drag, tap, push all the way back. Your time in the challenge is how long it takes you going down and back. Once you make it down and back, you stop the clock, and that's your best time. Good luck.